one thing we do have with a January election date is people are coming out for one matter and one matter alone. This is a very important decision. I said last night, yes or no. I'm respectful of that, but I want people to be informed when they vote and make the decision having all their questions answered. So if you go with a primary or a general, you very likely will have people that come to the polls that have no idea what you're talking about, and they will just pick yes or no. And we don't want that. We want to be able to say that we have taken every opportunity. We send a mailer to every home in the district. I mean, we are absolutely saturating the community with information about this and making ourselves available. One of the reporters locally sent an email the other night, I don't know, 10, 11 o'clock, and I responded within 5 minutes. And he said, wow, you really do respond to every email. I was responding to email questions last night after the forum. I got home after 10 p.m. Of course, my wife and children were asleep, and I'm sitting up responding to questions because it's that important. I'm willing to run myself ragged until January 16th, probably beyond, because it's that important.